Hello everyone, this is Varsha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So our today's topic is how to increase English IQ level. English IQ level. Might be you heard this topic first time, but I really want to talk about this. So without any further ado, let's jump into our video. So what is English IQ? Might be you heard about IQ level. You heard about how to increase IQ level, but what is English IQ? Means this is also similar to IQ level. Okay, like people will talk about how to increase IQ level. I just want to talk about how to increase English IQ level. So first we need to understand our mind, how mind works. We have two type of mind. First is conscious and second is subconscious mind. How conscious mind works? Conscious mind work right now I'm working, and subconscious mind work by repetition. When you do again and again and again, and it's also work in night when you just sleeping. At that time it's also work. So चलिए अब समझते हैं English, how to increase our English IQ level. For that, as we all know, if you want to make your body healthy and if you want to gain weight, if you want to make your biceps, and if I talk about girls, if girls want to fit, so what we will do and what the trainer suggests us? He will suggest us do exercise, eat healthy food and sleep in a proper time. Okay, he will suggest us. So this all thing also apply in our English. Like you have to gain the speaking muscles. If you want to increase your English IQ level, so you have to gain the speaking muscles. How it will come and how it will become, like how you will gain your IQ muscle. For that, what you have to do? You have to practice a lot. You have to talk with other people several times. Might be million times you have to talk with them. And when you start doing practice, when you start to talking with people, so it will become cup of tea for you. And you have to do by hook and by crook. Okay? When you start doing, when you will talk with people, when you will do conversations, so you speak very remarkable and good English. It's happened also with me right now. If I'll just talk in Hindi, so little bit I will do mess up. I at that time like just my English gone. So it's just about your practice. The more you will do, the more you will speak fluent and tremendous. For that, just you have to speak, you have to do practice. Choose any topic, choose any person with whom you will do daily conversation. Then after, you will increase your English IQ muscles. So there isn't any kind of like magic. Just you will listen my video and you're gonna speak. For that, you have to work also. For that, you have to work on your communication skills. Just try to talk with people, try to express your idea in front of them, and then you're gonna gain speaking IQ. Okay? Nobody is born with this. Everyone just develop by time, and you also have to develop by time. It will take little bit time, but when you do more practice, you will speak remarkable English. So that's all about my today's topic. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, so please don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. And if you also want, so you can follow me on Instagram. There I post some English content which would help in your English journey. So bye bye friend, we will meet in next video.